Guys, this is Chief in Dubai at the beautiful Palace Hotel, Old Town, next to Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall on that side. I've got associate V partner Ahmad Hamza here, who is in Dubai, and Nida from Saudi, who doesn't want to smile. Alright, and what the people you can see is Trevor Kuna from QNet, Vinu there, and Suresh behind the camera. Alright, and I just suddenly remembered today that we have to record the Wednesday message, which you're watching right now, if it's Wednesday and you're at VTube Plus. Okay, and we bought this camera. It's not being done professionally, it's being done by people who are not professional. Okay, and my message firstly, very excited. Me, Ahmad and Nida have been strategizing and what to talk about today, and I came to this conclusion. Number one, I want to talk to you about the Raise the Bar Higher promo, which QNet has launched. And if you're watching this on Wednesday, Thursday is Eid, so a very happy and blessed Eid Mubarak to all of you, all my Muslim brothers and sisters around the world. Send my love and respect to all your families and friends and downlines and teams. Thursday is Eid Mubarak, and then Friday is also Eid Mubarak, but it's also the end of the early bird for Raise the Bar Higher promo. So I need you guys to really push hard Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, alright, as Nida is going to do in Saudi, alright, and Ahmad is going to do all over the Middle East and Sudan and Egypt, everywhere. And guys, why is this promo important? Because it's extra money, alright, for doing what you're supposed to do. I know you're hearing things in the background, okay? There's a waterfall, trickling water, and there's a guy there grinding the stone to create a diamond. So now, okay? So this message is very important. Raise the Bar Higher promo. Take full advantage of it. It's the best darn promo we have ever launched. Okay? And the next 2 days is going to be the end of early bird. Then you got 2 more weeks. So the 2 weeks after early bird, do it again. It's about finding 2. Okay? I've been spending a lot of time today in Dubai talking to various leaders. I'm talking to Nida about Saudi, so if you guys are watching this in Saudi, stay strong. I'm with you 100%, and I'm talking to AVP Ahmad and his downlines from Morocco and the local downlines here I have in Dubai, and we were talking about raising the bar higher, and all of them asked me this important question: Chief, how do I raise the bar higher? I'm working hard, I'm pushing myself. I love recording this video because both of them are just sitting there. We are statues. Okay. Right? So the downlines are asking me, alright, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, so we're going a bit cuckoo, okay? Right? So they're asking me, how do I raise the bar higher? Okay? What do I need to do? I'm working hard, my system is working, my events are going, I'm pushing everyone, promoting VCon UAE, getting a lot of excitement. What else do I need to do? Then I realized that to truly raise the bar higher, you must do something significant, a change that is massively significant in your organization. And then I thought about it. A lot of organizations since VCon Malaysia, Rhythm Nation, have started implementing this mindset of 3,000 BV. Alright? That means you sign up people at 3,000 BV. Now let me teach you one very, very valuable lesson. My mentor and the greatest upline on the planet, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan, taught me. He said, Batman, whether you convince somebody to buy a product for $100, or $600 or $2,000 or $7,000, the effort is the same. So why not raise the bar higher? Why not get people to come in at 3,000 BV? Because the compounded effect of that, right? Just let me do an experiment. Alright, think right now about your tree. YouTube. Think about your tree and imagine that the day you sign up in QNet, 3,000 was the minimum. There was nothing lower than 3,000. Alright? Yeah. That means, imagine what kind of money you would have made up to now. Can you imagine? You just triple your income because the BV is triple. So it's a mindset, but I realize it's not only enough for you to push this concept of 3,000 BV as an entry point to the greatest network marketing company on the planet, but you must believe it. You must believe that 1,800 or 2,000 US dollars is not a lot of money. It is not. Guys, my lunch in Moscow, Russia cost me 200 US dollars. I just went shopping in Dubai Mall and spent thousands of US dollars and didn't buy much. So the point is, the world has changed. The economic paradigm has changed. So I want you to raise the bar higher. and get your network focused on raising the paradigm of BV. Alright, 500 BV, don't even talk about it. 1000 BV, if you're used to it, then raise it to 3000 BV. Alright, and see the effect. But make sure you sit with your leaders and strategize this first and discuss with them. And you guys must buy into it. You guys must believe, alright, that 3000 BV is the way to go. Alright, and then implement it in your network and you will see tremendous results. You basically triple your income. Alright, so that's the paradigm shift. I was so excited sharing with everyone today in Dubai. And finally, the reason why I'm in Dubai, because I wanted to do some shopping, but the main reason was to come and finalize all details of VCon UAE. So if you haven't registered for VCon UAE, you're a moron. Alright, because you have to be there. It is the greatest, most unbelievable experience you will ever have. Ahmad was just telling me how he's getting everyone from his network geared up. Nida was telling me about how everyone from around her network is coming. Because it's no longer a choice. VCon is not a choice, it is a necessity to raise the bar higher in your organization. So guys, remember this. Focus on the Raise the Bar Higher promo. Alright, early bird which finishes this Friday midnight. Push, rock, alright, and get everyone qualified. Secondly, to truly raise the bar higher, significant change must happen within your system and the paradigm of your network. And I think the best paradigm is get everyone to 3000 BV upwards. 3000 BV or higher. Alright, and finally, VCon is going to be unbelievable. VCon UAE is going to be unbelievable. If you came for VCon Malaysia, yes, you can come again. Because the topics are going to be different, the speakers are going to be in a different energy and paradigm. Alright, it's going to be unbelievable. So this is Chief, sitting in the Palace Hotel at 5 in the morning, okay, telling you that I bought a lot of nice stuff, alright, and Nida is here, okay, and Ahmad is here, and Trevor, Vinu, and Suresh you can't see, but it's okay, alright. I just want to once again wish all my Muslim brothers and sisters a very, very, very special Eid Mubarak, alright, and guys, 2013, it has to be your greatest year. And ultimately, all we have to do is raise the bar
higher.
Let's try it again. Okay? Raise the bar
Higher.
I love you guys.